Good morning, viewers. Today we're going to take the bikes and travel in the direction of Hoi Hin for about 50 k's to go and have a look at Phraya Nakhon Caves. And yeah, so it'll take us about an hour to get there. We're going to follow the coast rather than taking the main road. So yeah, should be good fun. So yeah, let's hit the road. Up. Okay, we've arrived at Phraya Nakhon Caves. Just parked the bikes and we've got a bit of walking to do. So yeah, in that direction. So let's make tracks. Well, let's start hiking. So yeah, we just have to purchase some tickets because it's part of a national park in the cave. And yeah, I'm not too sure if we're walking there or if we're taking a boat. I'm not too sure how it all works. Tin will explain. Yeah, so there's two ways of getting to this cave. I think we're taking this route on the boat and drop us off here, and then we have to walk the last lot. Otherwise we could walk all of that all the way, and no doubt it will be a climb by the looks of it. So we're going to take the easy option with the boat. We're still going to do some walking though.
So you want to look everywhere?
Just the temple, yeah.
No, just we go here and here too. Altogether 1,200 per boat. So this good.
Okay, no problem. The ground is a little bit wet and muddy, but yeah, we've got to get on one of these boats, so I'm not too sure which one it is. So ours is number 8. Okay, here we go. So we're just cruising around the little islands here first, and then we're going to get dropped off to do the cave walk. And yeah, it's quite nice. All the other boats have gone to the cave first, so by the time we get to them, hopefully there's not too many people around. Got a few fishing boats here, and looks like a little bit of a temple here on that island there. Looks like we're going up this little river which comes out to the ocean. No doubt there'll be a lot of fishing boats in there as well, and a fishing village. The ladies over there, they're collecting oysters. So many fishing boats here. Most of them are fishing for squid and a couple for tuna. All the big ones apparently. They're fishing for tuna, and normally if you see lights hanging off the boat, like this one over here, you can see the lights on there. Yeah, they swing those arms out, turn the lights on, and catch squid. So many boats. Must be a bit of a traffic jam when they're getting out. They're all hard at work. Be interesting to go out on the boat with them for one night. I reckon it'll be a bit of fun. But yeah, well worth coming into here to have a look around, that's for sure. That takes talent. Spin the boat around. Okay, we've just been dropped off. Yep, there's our boat there, number 8, the blue one. Beautiful location. The beaches are quite nice actually, even though the tide's out. But yeah, now we're going to walk to Phraya Nakhon Cave. So yeah, look at the tin. Half her jeans are wet. Shoes are wet, but that's okay. They'll dry pretty quick here in this weather. Okay, let's go. 625 meters to the cave. Okay, the easy part's done. We've still got 430 meters to go. Bit of a warning here for us. We're nearly at the top. Bit out of breath at the moment. But take in the views of this viewpoint. It's beautiful. So another 230 meters to go. So we're just past the halfway mark. Got a first aid officer here and a nice resting point with a gorgeous view. Okay, we've reached a point where we've stopped climbing. Now we're heading downhill a little bit, and I'd say we're not far from it now. I think there's only about another 120 meters to go in distance wise. And yeah, what can I say? It's a pretty tough walk, isn't it? It's very hard. Probably to do a lot with the climate as well inside the rainforest. It's very, very humid. When you get open air flowing through, it's actually quite cool. Like where we are now, there's a fair bit of cool wind blowing through. But once you get inside the jungle, it's humid. Okay, this is a good sign. The name of the cave, which is the one that we're heading to. Just a bit of a climb down, and that's about it. And yeah, looking beautiful. Very interesting. Okay, I'm looking directly over my head, or basically looking up to the sky. And yeah, let's just come down into the cave, which is down through there. So we're nearly there. So we have a dry waterfall. That's what they call it. And the bottom is just down there somewhere.
อีกยุงใช่ไหมคะยกใหญ่ๆแล้วนะ
Okay, that's where we've just come down. And yeah, there's two big holes above us, open to the sky. And yeah, the track continues down there. This is pretty impressive, this cave. And yeah, we haven't even reached the end. We've still got another little section to go through, which is just through there. And yeah, I think that's where the wow factor kicks in. Well, viewers, what do you think? I've got goosebumps at the moment. This is pretty impressive. It was a tough hike or a tough climb, but well worth it. So in the walls here you can see some markings or some writing. You might think it's graffiti, but it's not. It's actually signatures from the kings that have visited here. King number 5 and King number 7. But yeah, this is absolutely beautiful, this cave. And look at that. Straight out to the open sky. Beautiful. So you see a couple of people there walking back, and gives you an idea of how big this place is. It's massive. So over there is where we came in, and this is the front of the temple or shrine. But yeah, beautiful. Okay, we made it back down to the bottom, survived.
Yep.
It was very hard walk. It's very humid in there. But yeah, we did it, so can tick that one off the bucket list. So yeah, now we're going to go to the restaurant, get a bottle of iced water, and I might even get a beer. Okay, had a cold drink at the restaurant. Didn't have any beer there, so yeah, a bottle of water and a bottle of Coke. Got back on our little boat, number 8, and heading back to where the motorbikes are, and we're gonna head back home, or head back to our hotel, or hostel 126. So yeah, been an enjoyable day, that's for sure. Bit challenging walking, but well worth it though. Okay, back to the bikes. I'm not going to record the ride home, more or less the same of what it was when we came here. So yeah, it's just a quick dash home and rest up a bit.